una see Papa Tope don't come again.
Inspector Mufu, any news about my missing wife, Mama Tope? Look, how many times will I describe her for you? She's 5 feet 10 inches tall. She's tall and beautiful. Look, she has this round waist, figure eight, even with so much grace. Hold on. Shut up. Look, we need to upgrade our family. Listen, hey, shut up. Listen, we never can tell. They might find somebody much more beautiful and better than your mommy. Inspector Mufu, just the same description. Look, make sure she has a very big ikebe. That's very big ass. That is what I want. That's what my wife looks like. Hold on.
Inspector, my dad is lying. My mother is short.
Inspector Mufu. Continue. Exactly. Those descriptions I gave you. That's what I want. Yeah, exactly.